Are you booked on a Tauck River Cruise, or you're thinking about booking the Tauck River Cruise and you're wondering what it is you're going to wear when you're on board the ship? Hey there, travel lovers. It's your trusted cruise and Tauck tour and Africa safari expert, Shawn Power here. And today I wanted to answer one of the most common questions that I get from my clients. You know, whether you're a client of mine who I book directly on Tauck, or maybe you're one of the many people who booked with Tauck directly and then you moved your booking to me so I could get you the free hotel night before your cruise started. Either way, this question happens again and again and again. I don't know why, but for some reason people think that they got to dress up really, overly dressed when they're on a Tauck River Cruise, and it's just not true in my experience. You know, I've been on a few Tauck River Cruises now. Now, what I'm wearing here tonight, this is as fancy as I got the whole trip. So we're at this beautiful chateau here in Germany. We had a great dinner tonight, great music, food, service has been amazing. And so, you know, I did put on the sport coat tonight. No tie. These are almost like sneaker shoes. The point is that this is as fancy as I got. It's not a tux. About 1/3 of the guys tonight do not even have a sport coat on. And then the ladies, what I've noticed is they've had on like, pants and a blouse, or, just kind of a casual dress, but again, nothing fancy. These aren't gowns or anything else. So most Tauck River cruises are gonna have one night like this. You'll have a special night off the ship a lot of times. So if you can handle this, you're okay on a Tauck River cruise. Now the rest of the night, and I'll put some pictures in here, in this video, super casual, just a collared shirt for the guys, casual pants. Again, the ladies, skirt and a shirt or a blouse, that kind of thing. So again, don't be intimidated when you come to do a Tauck River Cruise. It's no fancier than it is on Viking or Amer or Avalon or anyone else. Again, it's just, most nights are gonna be super casual, and because of the one special night, you might throw on a sport coat at the most and a nicer dress for ladies, and that's about it. So any other questions, let me know, but again, don't not go on Tauck because you think you got to overdress. It's just not how it is. Any questions, I'm here, and just go to ShawnPower.com and fill out my contact form, or leave me a comment here. We'll see you on the next video.